Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to open a Capital One bank account online. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is open your preferred browser on your desktop or your PC. Once you've done that, on the search box type Capital One. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see Capital One's official website. Go ahead and click on it. Once you have landed on Capital One's official website, go ahead and hover over Checkings and Savings option on the toggle bar and click on Compare All Accounts and Rates. Over here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to compare between the different type of accounts you can create on Capital One. Once you have selected your preferred account type, go ahead and tap on Open Account below the type that you have selected. Once you've done that, different type of prompts will be provided to you. You simply have to follow all the prompts provided to you by Capital One. Go ahead and answer all the questions that are provided to you, such as, do you already have a Capital One login? If you don't, go ahead and click on No. Click on Continue. Now enter your first name and your last name. Once you've entered your first and your last name, go ahead and click on Continue. Enter your email address and confirm that email address on the text box below. Click on Continue. Now provide your mobile number to Capital One. Similarly, fill out all the information that this website asks of you. Once you've provided your full name, your date of birth, your address, phone number, and email address, you'll be requested to create a username and password for your Capital One account. After that, you have to review the terms and conditions of Capital One, provide additional information, finally verify your identity. You can do so by submitting a copy of your driver's license, your passport, or government-issued ID, anything that would help you verify your identification. Once you've done that, you'll be requested to fund your account and set up online banking. After doing so, by simply following the prompts that are provided to you by Capital One, you'll have successfully created your Capital One bank account online. And this is how you can create a Capital One bank account online. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.